Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The government has reiterated that its priority for rebuilding and repair post-Melissa is the most vulnerable in the society. The commitment comes amid arguments that it isn't only vulnerable Jamaicans that need help at this time. Details in this report.
Hurricane Melissa was in many ways the great leveler. The images of multi-story homes still without a roof 4 months after Melissa is proof the rich and poor alike were not spared, and people from all earning brackets are still having it hard repairing their homes. The government has made it clear the most vulnerable Jamaicans are being prioritized in its repair program. Vulnerable meaning the elderly, poor and disabled.
Focus for the Ministry of Labour and Social Security are the persons who need the help the most. That's not to say that because you have a big house, you don't need help. Many persons who have multiple rooms in their house need help. And many persons are getting the help, like you said. But it's important to know that the government couldn't help all, because some persons, for instance, the persons with insurance, they have to step up and help themselves. Remember what I said at the beginning? Remember what I said? It's not the government alone. It's not the people alone. It's the government and the people that are tackling this together. That is our reality.
Mr. Charles Jr. was speaking in Trelawney at the most recent handover of checks to hurricane victims approved for assistance. The minister says the movement to online assessments from a paper-based system has helped to speed up the process and also ticks the box of environmental preservation. He says experts are in charge of screening the list of Jamaicans assessed for benefits.
We take that information and we send it somewhere called the National Spatial Data Management Branch. That branch, they are the experts at cleaning the list.
Also, another warning from the Minister of Labour and Social Security to people who are harbouring thoughts about committing fraud under the government's hurricane housing and repair program.
What happens? The people that are supposed to get the benefit cannot get the benefit, because you can't have 4 benefits to 1 person. Okay? So it is not just important for us, it's important for you.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.